All right, so you've done your Seguirillas Compás, hopefully with the counting, just counting all the different subdivisions with arpeggios. And now we're going to do just index rasgueado, okay? So it's an important strum, and it's just the index finger, okay? The chords are already outlined in the handout, okay? The music for you. Your ring finger should never leave the B flat on the third string, okay? Aim with your index finger. Try to get the chord in its entirety and not additional strings that shouldn't be hit, okay? So aim really well, keep your other fingers out. So this is the complete full 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a, okay? So there's one down or up with the index on every single one of those subdivisions, okay? So this is at 108 and it's eighth notes. So I'm going to be playing an upbeat in between because this is going to be done in 16th notes, okay? So I'm going to say 5E and then we'll start on 1. So 5E and 1, and we start there, okay? 5E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 5E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 5E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 5E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 5E and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna end on 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So hopefully now you feel like you have enough to get the building blocks of Seguirillas, okay? So now what's going to end up happening is you're going to take more out of it. So you have a busy version of a Seguirillas rhythm. And I find this to be much better than to try to guess at playing this slow version of Seguirillas where the compás is. I have a lot more success with students right off the bat understanding the rhythm, and then it's really easy to just take away things because they already know, they have a good feel for the rhythm, okay? So do this, and then it's going to be easy to just kind of let things go and not be so busy. And then other versions of the compás will come out. I'm going to give you other versions later, so there will be lots more stuff. So let me know what questions you have. Enjoy the work. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.